Very good morning, all the students of class 9th. Here we are going to start today the 6th chapter of your book Beehive, English book of class 9th. The name of the chapter is My Childhood. So, before we start reading the chapter, there are 3 questions in your textbook you can see. First of all, let's discuss it. Can you think of any scientists who have also been statesmen? Means, do you remember that any scientist who later became a politician in our country? Definitely, one name comes without putting stress on our mind, that is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, whose projects in science, defense and nuclear technology guided India into the 21st century. If I say that who has the biggest contribution in the field of space, defense and nuclear technology, the single name comes to our mind, that is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is also known as the Missile Man of India. He became our 11th president in 2002. Means in 2002 he was given the highest post of India, that is president, and he was elected as the 11th president of India. In his autobiography Wings of Fire, he speaks about his childhood. His autobiography, that is Wings of Fire, it's very famous. And here, before going to the chapter, I would like to tell you the difference between autobiography and biography. Autobiography means to say, if someone writes about his life in his own words, on his own, that is autobiography. But if some other person writes about any other person about his life, that is called biography. So I think you understand that what is the difference between these two. Now, let's move to the main chapter. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameshwaram in the erstwhile Madras Street. Means Rameshwaram is, you can say, if you look up into the map, you will find that Rameshwaram is an island that is on the southernmost part of India. Since this is an island, not the main part of India, but a part of India. Okay. So, earlier, erstwhile means formerly, this place was known as Madras Street. Right now, it is known as Tamil Nadu and its capital is Chennai. Earlier, its capital of Tamil Nadu was what? Madras. My father, Jainul Abdin, had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Starting from his father, he is introducing his family. Starting from his father, he says that his father was not very educated formally and did not have much wealth. Wealth means a lot of power. He did not have formal education and a lot of money. As in the first line, it has been mentioned by APJ Abdul Kalam that he belonged to a middle class Tamil family. Despite these advantages, what were the disadvantages? That his father was not very educated and was not very rich. He possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. He has some qualities. Innate wisdom is inborn wisdom, जो जन्म से बच्चे के अंदर बुद्धिमत्ता होती है. So here his father was a wise person. Second quality of his father is true generosity of spirit. He was a generous person, a person who is very kind towards others. He very caring about others, that is generous person. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother, Ashiyama. Ashiyama is the name of his mother, Abdul Kalam's mother, and she was really a great helpmate to his father. I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day. Here his father says that many people used to eat at his house every day. He does not know the exact number. Fed means bhojan karwana. But I am quite certain that far more outsider ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. He says that the number of members who used to be in our family, more than that people used to come to my family and they ate. मीन्स खाना खाने आते थे. जितनी संख्या हमारे परिवार की थी उससे कहीं ज़्यादा लोगों की संख्या ऐसी थी जो हमारे यहाँ आकर भोजन करते थे. I was one of many children, a short boy with rather undistinguished look. Undistinguished look. Undistinguished means a person who does not have a very different or special appearance. He was a simple boy. He says that I was one of many children, means he has many siblings, and he's talking about his looks, that he was a short boy born to a tall and handsome parent. He says that his father and mother both were very tall and handsome, but he himself was a short boy. We lived in our ancestral house. Ancestral house means that the house that was made by their forefathers, and many generations are living in the same house, which was built in the middle of 19th century. Means it was built in middle of 19th century. It was a fairly large pakka house. Large pakka house, nowadays pakka house is made of bricks, stainless steel and cement. But in those days pakka house was made of bricks and limestone. So this was a pakka house made of limestone and brick on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. So what is the exact location of his house? Mosque Street, Rameshwaram Island. My austere father used to avoid all essential comforts and luxuries. Austere father means a person who is simple but strict. Simple and strict and severe. He says his father was a simple type of person. He believed in simple living, and he always avoid all inessential comfort and luxuries. Inessential means which are not important, which are not necessary. Comforts and luxuries, ऐसी सुख सुविधाओं की हमेशा को अवॉइड करते थे जिनकी अभी जरूरत नहीं है. मीन्स वो he believed in simple living. However, all necessities were provided for. Provided for means the basic requirements, basic needs were provided to each and everyone in the family in terms of food, medicine and clothes. Means food was sufficient, medicine and clothing was sufficient. In fact, I would say mine was a very secure childhood, both materially and emotionally. Here APJ Abdul Kalam says that his childhood was really secure. Very secure means very safe in both terms. First term, materially, means whatever requirements, basic requirements were there, which were fulfilled. Means fooding, in terms of fooding, clothing and medicine. Second, emotionally, means he received a lot of care, love, affection from his family members. So the next paragraph we will study in the next video. Thank you.